it lacks in size, it makes up for in its serenity. Inside the 2.5-kilometer wide caldera, you'll find Lake Pinatubo, a popular tourist destination and hiking spot. But it wasn't always that way. That's right. On June 15, 1991, this short stratovolcano gave off the second largest terrestrial explosion of the 20th century. The eruption caused around 850 deaths, made over 100,000 people homeless, and caused $700 million in damage. And that's just the economic disasters. Major earthquakes, lahars, pyroclastic flows, all of this from that seemingly serene mountain. Makes you wonder what other peaceful landforms hide deadly secrets.
Mount Pinatubo is located in the Cabasilan subrange of the Zambales Mountains in Luzon, the Philippines, just 87 kilometers northwest of Manila. This subrange consists of 4 mountains: Mount Cuadrado, Mount Negron, Mount Mataba, and of course Mount Pinatubo. These mountains are formed by the Eurasian plate boundary sliding under the Philippine Mobile Belt along the Manila Trench, leading to magmatic occlusion. Dense forests obscured Pinatubo for a long time, and before 1991, almost nobody knew that it was active. Then, in early 1991, some pre-eruptive activity led to new awareness, and on June 15, 1991, we released a VEI-6 explosion, the second largest explosion of the 20th century after Nova Rupta in Alaska. However, scientists predicted this and had previously evacuated the surrounding area, saving hundreds of lives. The effects were still devastating.
Thousands of small earthquakes rocked the earth beneath. Ash plumes over 40 kilometers high, lahars, pyroclastic surges and falls, 10 billion tons of magma, 847 dead due to roof collapse, 20 million tons of sulfur dioxide. But the eruption didn't just affect the Philippines. The many aerosols released led to a global layer of sulfuric haze, and ozone depletion temporarily increased. $700 million worth of damage, with just over 14%, $100 million, due to 16 damaged aircraft that were flying overhead. The eruption just so happened to coincide with Typhoon Yanya, and the mix of ash and water created dangerous lahars and pyroclastic flows that raced down the mountain. Global temperatures lowered by about 1 degree Celsius. This phase went on for 15 hours, and the day, dubbed Black Saturday, was dark for 36.
From 1992 through to 1993, there were some minor dome-forming eruptions, and on August 4, 1992, 72 people were killed by a larger eruption. The once 5,725-foot-tall mountain was now only 4,875 feet. Inside the newly formed caldera, you can find Lake Pinatubo, a popular tourist destination, bushwalking spot and hiking trail. This popular mountain is still active, but lies silent for now. Perhaps one day it will go off again, but until then, it remains asleep.